Igor, that's for Daddy.
That's for Igor.
For Daddy. I'm just kidding, son. Of course it's for Igor.
From Miss Joya.
Oh.
What's that? Did you make that?
Look at that.
Igor, did you make that star at Miss Joya's?
Yeah.
It says Happy Holidays. I love you, Igor.
She really does. Love
I
him.
think do. Look at the toe in there, girl. Toe in there, girl.
Alright, thank you, Joya.
I like this. Oh, Daddy, how get this?
Well, I put it up there, son. Look. See, it's got this thing.
Yeah, but it's missing the light.
Oh.
The light.
Was the light driving? We'll put this one right here.
No.
Oh, shout wipes.
Stop. No, Dad.
How about this?
Do that again.
Thanks for saying that. Whoever
Yeah,
sees this video,
we
I
don't
think I'm torturing my son.
Tickle.
What do you want me to do?
Tickle.
Tickle?
Yeah.
Stand up, Igor.
Let's document that he's...
Stand up, stand up.
Sit on Daddy's lap.
Come on up here. You want to tickle some more? Want me to stop? All done? More?
Stop.
Yeah, you play with your toys.